don't even know what time it is.
He said something.
This is called this the technology staff.
Get over here.
Don't get hit, Pooty. You gonna knock that Pooh Shiesty off.
2, 1, go.
Let Bob in.
I thought you was gonna bust that.
Let me. Wait,
They're playing flag football.
I'm
winning.
You want to do it? That boy's smaller.
Hit that mother, little bro.
Come on, let's go. Why you? Busted. You hit it. You better go get him.
What you doing?
Go.
Why you stealing, gang? I'm throwing your ass on YouTube. You going on the tube, gang? Zone. House is recording. Don't push nothing. I'm gonna be done. You already be done. Watch out, y'all. That nigga swinging. Alright. Hold on, y'all. He almost knocked that nigga head
Back up a little bit.
We're gonna break it.
One step. Yeah.
We're supposed to break it.
Bag up. It's a one-hitter quitter here.
Yeah, okay.
Hold up. Y'all back. Oh, it broke.
Come on, man, keep going.
It really broke. Oh, it broke.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Keep recording, man.
Everybody in my way. Completely fat. You're fat. You fat. How? I'm not chubby.
I know, gang. How long, gang?
Let me give him 1 point. I get 1 point.
Hey, let me punch it.
Who gonna bust it, gang? No, you can't fist it. And they trying to punch it.
We jumping this thing. After 15 minutes, we jumping it.
Huh?
1, 2, 3, go.
No, you can't punch it, gang.
2, 3.
What time somebody? Y'all better get me candy. Oh, shit. No, where your bag? Oh, shit. Let me get it back. Here, record. Put it in the bag. You playing games, gang. Oh, he got the drop.
Yeah, that's why he's taking the bottom.
He got the drop, gang.
Work smarter than her. Everybody else is finna say that.
Pooty, man, come on. Well, apparently they all got.
They took all the candy. She had that last swing. All you see was a right hook go across the middle.
Dang, that was crazy, man. That was crazy.
And I saw gang
See,
It was
one
over.
hook and it's all over.
Damn! Already? Who crying? We're on here. What is on?
Yep, that's on like Mayweather.
Gang. They went crazy. Y'all know they went crazy.
This is the fair square, buddy.
Why ain't get no candy, gang? Where yours at? He's still beating a piece. Or she's still beating a piece, my bad. Zo, what you get, gang? What you get? What you get? Dilla, what you get? Did you? Oh. Okay, well, hey, at least you got something. What up, bro? What you get? What is this? You found this? Who key is this, bro? This yours?
He said he found it right there.
Oh, some adult. It's probably an adult 9 times out of 10. This yours?
No.
This yours?
That's hers. That's hers.
I knew it was somebody's. I thought it was an adult, though, man. But it wasn't. Oh, they just missed the pinata thing. Oh, gang.
Big right here, you get what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Gang. This is how it usually go. 9 times out of 10. Feel me? Oh, I don't know what Landry's doing. What you on, Landry? Yeah, you on YouTube though, man. You already know you're gonna be on there. You know how that go. What up, little bro? Little bro looks shocked.
That's my cousin. We need one more bag.
One more?
That's my cousin. No.
And you didn't tell me we need one more bag, big gang. Angie. Angie. Why you didn't tell me we need another bag? Oh, you got it, okay. Your gang got it. Y'all know I'm always messed up.
Mama, y'all doing a little kid piano now?
Ooh.
Mama, she said we're going to do a little kid piano? Yeah. Or no? She said yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm just a filmer.
I think I dropped it.
What they doing up here? Let me figure out. Oh. Cameraman fell, guys. Oh, gang. I did. I died. Oh, gang.
Everyone was focused on it. Everyone was focused. Bro, everyone was focused on the candy on the ground. We just watched the whole body.
Damn, man. Oh. Damn, your feet big, boy. I guess they was supposed to have some tug of war going on. I don't know what's popping outside. Oh. We got toppers on the floor. Oh, Lord. No, that ain't real, y'all. It's all props. What's going on, gang? You said what? Against the girls? Oh, man. Somebody else was out there, gang. I don't know. Big gang's cleaning up. You know how it goes. Man, make sure y'all hit that like button, too. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, gang. These two hiding in here. These three. Oh, she said she ain't hiding. I don't know what she doing. Stop playing, gang. You on YouTube already. You know that. They invited me. I came all the way from Milwaukee out here to Oklahoma. You good, gang? Okay. I think I got it on, y'all. I do. They be hating when I record, but you know I gotta get them high drops. Look at gang. Oh, okay. I feel yeah, y'all. Don't worry about the outlook of they, you know. Like, oh yeah, you know this on there, man. Well, he trying to get away. You know I'm posting that. I post everything I do, guy. Everything.
Hell yeah. This is on me.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh Lord. They'll pay us for a show. You know that. I'm trying to be like Kardashians. I'm trying to be like the dash. Cuz, what up? What you on, man? What up, G?
What's up, man?
Yeah, you caught. You caught, man. Everybody be scared of the cam, man. They know I'm on it. Calm down. Get out. Zoe, come from up there. Booty, get from right there, boy. Come on over here, bro. Come on down, Pooty. You caught? On what? Oh, he cheated like.
That's why it wasn't that much candy on the floor, because it's all in the body.
What's up?
Why is he out here?
I don't know.
It's raining.
They tweaking. What up, cuz? What's happening, bro?
Everybody pulling up in the party almost over.
No. Put it. Bring your irons up. Hey, yo. All right. What?
Look, the whole thing.
Okay. Well, take that to your room and bring it down, brother. All right. Come on this way, young baby. Nah, he got it. I don't want you to get in no trouble. Your mama did already say come down.
I know.
Yeah. What you doing, man? He just went outside somewhere. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. What happened? Huh? What'd you say? Oh, okay. Yeah, everything. Watch out, gang. Yeah, everything on there. You know that. Everything on there, gang. Yeah, get the close up. You know I don't mind being on there. You know I don't mind being on there, gang.
I will put you on Facebook falling.
Alright, okay, cool. She gonna throw me on Facebook. You said where I was falling at? Where I was falling at? Where? Push towards. Where the outside campus just disappeared to, man? I think they took Warren outside. I don't know what's popping with them, man. What's popping with them, man? How he dropped the blink, man? How he dropped the blink? Big gang dropped the blink.
They saying to me.
She said, you posting this yet? Gang gonna post it?
Oh, bro.
You know you going up there on game. That be live. Everything you posted.
We got Batman in the cut.
In the cut, duck. Oh God, with the batarang on him. We got the Glock Dookie, man. That's the Glock Dookie, man. Y'all remember that? He went up 25. He went up 2-5. He wasn't playing. Hey, y'all, look at gang. Look at gang. Look at him, gang. He be
Vincent, bring your little butt up here.
Too cold up here.
I know. Look what I told you. I told you, gang.
Y'all go in, y'all go in.
All right, I'm out, gang. Did it?